Today we will see how to sort a set of cards using quick sort. We will take the first element and use it as the pivot value or the reference value, and we will see all other elements. If they are less than the pivot value, we will keep it on the left, and if they are more than the pivot value, we will keep it on the right. We will continue the process for all the cards. Less will go left, more will come right. So we will repeat the value for all the cards. Now we have the left cards which are less than the pivot value and the right cards which are more than the pivot value. The pivot value card has found its rightful place. Now we will repeat the process for the right side cards. Again here we will keep the first element as the pivot value, and anything less than this will keep on the left, anything more will keep on the right. So since everything is higher than the pivot value, this will have its place and these elements will come to the right of the pivot value. We will continue this process. This is the pivot, this is less than pivot, this is also less than pivot. So this will come here and these two cards will be again going through the same process. So the first is pivot, the next is less than this. Since it's only card, it will come to left. So we found A's 2, 3, 4, 5 all done. Will come to the right side. Again, the first value will be the pivot value. Anything less than this will go left. Anything more will come right. So this is more. It's on right, more on right, more on right, and more on right. So this has found its place. We are left with these three cards. Take the first element as pivot and then arrange it on the left or right. This is higher than the pivot, so it will go on the right, higher than the pivot on right, higher than the pivot on right. So 7 will find the place, and again we'll repeat the process. 8, more than 8 will come here, more than 8 will come here, so 8 will get its position. Now we are remaining with two cards, so 10, 9 is less than 10, so it will come left. Finally we can arrange all the elements in sorted order using quick sort.